YouTube, what's happening, what it is, and what it do, man. This is Money Mitch TV, and of course, I am B Mitch, aka Sneaker Head Money Mitch. I appreciate y'all stopping through, rocking with your boy today. See what I got going on, you feel me? If you're new to the channel, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and become a member of the Money Gang, and let's get it, man. So today, what I got for y'all is, of course, another unboxing. Got these a few months back. These are gas, man. Nothing else for me to do but show you these things. You feel me? So fresh about the box today. What we are looking at is one of my StockX. Oh, already dropping some of my stuff out of it. It's a recent pickup from StockX. Of course, you got your little stickers, StockX, and price. We'll show you that in a second. But fresh about the BizOx today, what we looking at is the Nike. Yes, ski. Michigan State dunk low things, man. You feel me? These are humans. So I picked these up a few months back. When did I buy these? 10-4, or was it 14, 2021? One or the other. I bought these. As you see right there in that corner. Yes, I paid a nice penny for these things. But nonetheless, man, show y'all the box real quick. You feel me? Specs. Got your little sticker right there. No more sticker. You feel me? But I'm gonna tell y'all about these things real quick, man. I'm gonna let y'all check them out, and I'll be right back. Alright, so pick these things up from StockX, man. These things came from Singapore or somewhere across the water. These are still authenticated by StockX, but bruh, I ain't even know they shipped from over there. I think these went through DHL and some more stuff. Anyway, they finally made it back to me from StockX, you feel me? We're gonna jump straight into them, you feel? Whole green and white drip up on these leather things, man. You probably seen these a million times. You got your green flat laces on these guys. Your regular degular leather on these guys. I mean, if you seen one, you seen a million of these things. Of course, your StockX hang tag on these guys. Insole is green as well, with that orange Nike Air on the insole of these guys, man. So, of course, man, I had to get these things, man. These is gas. I actually wanted the Michigans first, and I actually got the Michigan first. But of course, the price of these was higher. But of course, around this time of season, man, I had to pull these out. I had to get these things. So I feel only right for me to bring a review to you guys before I wear these, unbox these things. So if you're still watching this video to this point, man, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, man. And there's nothing else for me to do besides hit you with the on feet. So let's get it, man. man. So I appreciate y'all checking out that on Feats, man. One thing I was thinking about doing with these shoes before I let y'all go is I was thinking about staining the midsole, that kind of like sail colorway. Then I was like, you know what? I'm gonna probably just wear these, and then over time, if they do yellow or when they do yellow, just rock them like that. So man, down below, man, let me know what y'all think. You think I should stain them or just wear them regular and let them, you know, stain over time? Other than that, man, appreciate y'all as always, man. Like, comment, subscribe, man. Tell a friend, and tell another friend about your boy. And like I tell you at the end of the day, make sure every last one of y'all like what you rock, that's flat, and rock what you like. It's your boy B Mitch, aka Sneakerhead, Money Mitch, screaming, cha-ching, gang gang. I'm out.
Niggas still act like they don't know me or nothing, man. Fuck wrong with y'all. Big one name and money. Hey, don't I look like honeys? I walk into your spot, smell like a fresh like dope and onion. Hey, rolling up a stendo. Now we man keep that key shot. Well, this right here's a